What's up, everybody? Coach Corey here again, and gonna bring you another video in the Redesign, Rebuild, Repurpose series. As I promised to have weekly videos. Haven't done one in a couple of weeks, I think it's been. So here it is, and the subject of today is positive self-talk and investing in yourself, right? So when we invest in ourselves, we're not just investing money. You don't have to go out and you don't have to buy this or buy that. You don't have to buy a product to invest in yourself, right? Invest the time in yourself. Invest time in meditation. Invest time in proper nutrition. Invest time in fitness. Invest time for yourself. You don't always have to be surrounded by people. You don't always have to be surrounded by things. Invest in yourself. Go out in nature, right? And just sit there and invest the fresh air. Get grounded with your bare feet. Go outside and break free from the limitations that you've set on yourself and society has set upon you with technology and your computer, your cell phone, your Xbox, your PlayStation, your television. Take all this stuff and cut the chains and go outside and ground yourself and become one with the world around you and invest the time to better yourself, right? And we need to stop with the negative self-talk, right? And what I mean by positive and negative self-talk, all right? So let's give an example of something positive to say about yourself, right? I love my hair, right? Sounds kind of corny, but that's something positive about yourself. On the other hand, with negative self-talk, we could be like, I hate my body. That's like the number one thing everybody says, right? They hate their fucking body. They hate it, but they never do anything about it, right? These are just two examples. We could go on both sides of the spectrum here. We could say, I love my hair, or I hate my body, or flip-flop them. I love my body, I hate my hair, right? It doesn't matter what you say. If it's in this category, this means nothing, right? So you could say a million things about yourself. I love my hair, I love my my smile, I love my body, I love the way I do this. But for every one negative, 5 positives go away. You can say 100 things positive about yourself. 100 things, you can list off 100 things you love about yourself. But you start putting in negatives and you keep just dwindling down. And then just cutting down the tree of yourself. Right? What we have to realize is the more we talk about ourselves, the more that influences who we are and who we are becoming. So if you talk bad about yourself, what's going to happen? I hate my body. I hate the way I do this. I hate the way I do that. I hate my situation. What are you doing to change your situation? What are you doing to change your life? Nobody gives a fuck about your situation but yourself. Right? Nobody gives a fuck. You can whine, you can bitch, you can cry, you can moan about everything. What are you doing to get up and get out of that situation? Right? You don't like the way things are, then fucking change them. Because nobody in this entire world, it doesn't matter if it's your parents, if it's your brother, if it's your sister, if it's your aunt, if it's a friend, if it's a colleague, if it's a teacher, they don't give a fuck about your situation. Nobody cares about the feelings you have. Nobody in the real world is going to come up to you and say, I apologize that you're upset, that it's this way, let me help you change it. They're not going to do that. Nobody's going to hold your fucking hand like a kid, like a child, right? I'm 25 years old, just turned 25 a few days ago. I'm not going to go out and bitch and moan because I'm in a situation I don't like. What am I doing every single day that I wake up to positively influence my life, right? Am I waking up every morning and am I saying, here to a new day and new Am I saying stuff like that? Here's to a new day and opportunity, right? Because every single day we wake up, fuck that marker. Every single day we wake up is a new day and a new opportunity. Or am I coming over here and am I saying shit like, I hate my job. Fuck this town. These people don't get me. The law are bullshit. I'm too broke to make something. You notice I mumble when I write. I apologize for that. But you notice, wake up with positivity, right? I love my hair. Here's to a new day, a new opportunity. I can do this, right? All these positive things. I love my hair. Here's to a new day and opportunity. I can do this, right? Those are short, simple, easy to overcome, right? You're gonna wake up every single day with a new day, new opportunity, new chance, new set of fucking 86,400 seconds. You're gonna wake up every single day fired up if you're positive, right? But negative, right? I hate my body. I hate my job. Fuck this town. These people don't get me. The laws here are bullshit. I'm too broke to make something of myself, right? It can get blown out of proportion so fast. I work a dead-end job. I don't make enough money to be successful. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that. They won't let me do this. Right? I want to do this, but I can't do it in this town, and this is the only state I can do it in, or this is the only town I can do it in. This town's too small. Then get up, get off your fucking ass, and do something about it. Right? You have to hustle every single day and keep telling yourself, I can, I will, I am going to do it. You cannot expect to sit on your ass and want to do something and it just come to you. Do you think people like Donald Trump? Sure, he was given what, $1 million to start out with by his dad? Sure, a small startup loan like that can't help somebody. But normal people, when given $1 million, will blow it like that. And it's proven time and time again with the fucking lottery. Normally in 3 to 5 months, the people who win the lottery are bankrupt because they go out and blow it on stupid shit. But people like Donald Trump, people like 50 Cent, people like Mark Cuban, people like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg, they take the opportunities and they invest in themselves and they invest around them, right? Donald Trump took that money, invested in himself, and now he's a billionaire and he's our president, right? He became a billionaire. $1 million. $1 billion is 10 times more than a million. So yeah, he may have been given a silver spoon of $1 million. He may have been given that handout. But just because you're given something doesn't mean that the opportunity to make it is there. You can't get $1 million and sit on it and it become $1 billion. It doesn't work that way. If you're given an opportunity, you take it and you make it into something. You create your own reality, your own life. Look at Jay-Z. He started as a rapper. Now he owns his own clothing lines. He owns a fucking basketball team. He owns all this shit. These people become successful because they have the mindset. They have the ability to see what is in front of them, the opportunities to take it. People like Tai Lopez, who come in on opportunities, they take it and they make something of it. And then they move on to something else. You can't get too stagnant. You can't stay, right? If you don't like the town you're in, then don't stay in it, leave it. If you don't like the state you're in, don't stay in it, leave it. Your job, your school. If it's not giving back to you, I said this time and time again, it doesn't matter if it's a relationship, a job. It doesn't matter if it's a school, a town, a state. It doesn't matter if it's a car you're driving. If you don't like it, give it up. Right? You're not giving up on your dreams, on your life. You're giving up something that's not giving back to you. So you can sit here and you can say, I can do this. You can say, I got this. I know what I'm doing. I might not know what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it. I might not know how to do something, but I'm going to figure it out. You can say that it's a new day, a new opportunity. You can say that you love yourself, or you can sit over here with all this fucking bullshit over here, and you can talk down to yourself, and you can tell yourself that you hate yourself, and you can tell yourself that you're never gonna make it. You can say that you're too broke, you're too this, too that. It's all fucking bullshit. Quit talking bad about yourself. Quit talking down about what you are and who you are becoming, because you are a positive person. Deep down, we all have positivity in our heart, and just like a boomerang, when you throw positivity, it comes back to you. So if you are projecting nothing but negative about yourself, other people are going to start seeing that. They're going to say, damn, you know, all he does is, or all he does, or all she does, they just talk down about themselves. Right? Have you ever saw somebody that's so negative that they just completely turn the mood of the party, the energy of the party, just 180 like that, sitting over in the corner all, I fucking hate this party, I fucking hate these people, and they're all, you know, get away from me, arms crossed, you know, that's the telltale sign, universal sign that they're uncomfortable, don't like it, you know, head down, just fucking looking around at people. Just do that for a minute, right? Sit there and just cross your arms and just kind of look down. You know, you're drooped down, your shoulders are hunched, you're uncomfortable. In order to be more positive, more open, you gotta open yourself up, right? You gotta open your arms. Imagine that when you hug somebody, right? You open your arms like this to hug them. You're opening your heart, you're opening your body to the world, right? Just like when we talk, we have to open our mouths when we talk to project things out. When you open yourself up, you become more positive. Quit closing yourself off, quit hunching over and looking down all the time. Look up to the sky, right? Look up, look forward, look to the horizon. Open your arms to the world, open yourself to the world. Let your voice be heard in a positive manner, not only to the world, but to yourself. We don't just influence the people around us, we influence ourselves. So what I want you to take away from this video, what I want you guys to work on, what I encourage you to work on is just talk more positive about yourself, right? The redesigning process of our lives is to get rid of the negative, get rid of this, and keep this. This is the end goal, positivity. This is the thing that we need in our lives. We don't need negative. Negative does not matter, right? We need negative for positive, but we do not need to create the negative. Do not create the negative. The negative is always going to be there. It's inevitable, but do not fucking create it for yourself. Create the positive. Be the positive. Just like Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in the world. What change do you want to see? And with that, I'm going to get out of here, you guys. You take it easy. If you like the video, share, subscribe, show all your friends. Hope you guys got something out of it. I know I did. I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to get some shit done. Upload this video, work on my blog post, yada yada, do all that good shit. Remember guys, stay positive. When you're redesigning your life, that's where we're at right now. We're redesigning who we were, what we want to be. We're becoming a better version, a stronger version, the best version. We are becoming a new version of ourselves, right? So when you redesign your life, create the positive, but do not create the fucking negative.